Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am sitting in my guest room because this room is super cozy. So I'm sitting by the bed. I have my cozy buffalo print blanket here. I have my matching mug from Hobby Lobby. If you saw my favorites video, you would have heard me talk about these already. I'm really into this buffalo check print for the fall, and I have my Earl Grey tea in here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips, if you will, to get into the fall mood. Maybe not everyone's ready for it. I hope you're ready for it, but if you're not, if you need a little push, here are some ideas, some essentials, some things to get you in the mood for fall time. So I'm going to move these glasses now, take them off, set them here in front of me so that I can stop being annoying. And I'm going to read through my little list of fall essentials / ideas of things you can do in the fall. And I'm going to sip my tea. Let's get into it. But first, subscribe down below if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And don't forget to come join me on Instagram and Twitter. They are linked in the description box down below. And tap the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's get started. So, the first thing that I recommend to you guys that is very cliche, very simple, we'll start it off easy. Get yourself a fall candle. I have a fall candle burning right back here. This thing smelled up the whole room before I even lit it. That is how amazing it is. It is the Autumn Harvest Pumpkin Spice Candle from M of WG. Yes, that is the brand. Haven't heard of it before, but this candle smells so strong. It is so amazing, and it is super cozy. You can always do DIY candles as well. That's a super fun DIY project. I've actually done this with friends or family before. It was super fun, and you just kind of get to feel like a scientist, or like you're making your own little concoctions. And it's actually pretty easy to do if you just order these stuff on Amazon, like the oils and the wax, and make your own candles. It's really fun. It takes a while, but it's not hard to do, and it definitely gets you in the mood for fall or winter or whatever types of candles you're doing. Fall candles are always a must. So the next one is watch fall movies. So I know that a lot of people are into Halloween movies, that kind of stuff. And that's what you're into. You do you. Watch your favorite one. Sit down with friends, a cozy blanket, whatever makes you feel cozy and fallish. Personally, I'm not super into Halloween or scary movies or anything like that. I have seen Hocus Pocus and I like it, but it's been a while. It's been years since I've seen it, so I don't even remember. I would totally watch it again though. But my favorite thing to watch in the fall time is actually Gilmore Girls. It's a TV show if you haven't heard of it, and whenever I think of that show, I think of the fall time because it's just, there's so many fall episodes, and it's like a small town kind of comedy drama type show. It's super cozy, as weird as that sounds, and it just feels super homey to sit down and watch it. I love watching their fall episodes in the fall. It's just the coziest, most homey feeling to me because I've watched that show literally since I was 12 years old, and I've seen it so many times that I love going back to it. So moving on from that, an idea of something that you can do or somewhere you can go to a pumpkin patch or go apple picking. You can go on a hike or a walk if you find a good spot with colorful trees. It's super kind of festive feeling, and it's always so brisk outside in the fall when it starts getting chilly. And if you dress up and bundle up in some clothes and go on a hike where there's beautiful trees, or like I said, go to a pumpkin patch or go apple picking. You don't have to go to those places just to take an Instagram photo. They're actually really fun, and I really want to go to a place like that this fall. I'm gonna have to look up some pumpkin patches or places where you can go apple picking because that would be super fun. That's on my bucket list of things to do this fall. So the next one is another cliche one. Get your favorite fall drink. Contrary to popular belief, those of us who like pumpkin spice are not loyal to only pumpkin spice. I love apple cider, I love chai, I love hot chocolate, I love tea. Any of those things are super fall appropriate. And I do love a good pumpkin spice latte, but I like all of those other drinks as well. And anything that is your favorite fall cozy drink, go out and get it, even if you're just treating yourself. Even if you want to just go on your way to work in the morning and stop at Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop and just get your favorite fall drink, it puts you in the mood for fall. And I don't know, there's something about it for me that makes me feel cozy when I'm drinking a fall drink. Even if it's cold apple cider or like a cold pumpkin spice latte, it still gets me in the mood for fall. But I have to admit, warm drinks always make you feel just a little bit more cozy. The next thing I want to recommend to you guys is put on a cardigan and some rain boots. Seriously, I don't even own rain boots, but I feel like putting on a pair of rain boots and a cardigan is just like the most fall thing ever. And something about that outfit makes me want to go on a hike or to a pumpkin patch. And it's just, I don't know what it is, you guys. I don't know why I'm in the mood to get a pair of rain boots. They don't have to be hunter rain boots, just like a cute pair of rain boots. Like, I really want to get some. I should go on Amazon and look some up, actually. Let's end this video on a beauty note. You guys know I love doing beauty and makeup here on my channel. And another thing that you can do that for me gets me in the fall mood as well is doing a fall makeup look. I know this look that I'm wearing right now isn't super fallish. I just filmed a makeup tutorial on this, or like a get ready with me. It's more pink toned. It's not super fallish, but it could work. It could work for the fall. But I do feel like something about like a bold classic fall lip with like the warm gold smoky eye is just so reminiscent of fall. It gets you in the mood. If you're into makeup and beauty and that kind of thing, it's like the perfect thing to go with. Or if you're going out to a pumpkin patch, it just makes you feel super festive. And I love doing a good fall makeup look. Fall is like my favorite time to do like a full face of makeup. I don't wear as much makeup in the summertime. It's warmer, sweats off easier, and fall makeup is just more fun to sit down and do a full face with like eyes and lips and everything, and it's my favorite type of makeup. So definitely fall makeup, and also hair. Obviously, I'm most likely to style my hair in the fall time, I feel like, and just wearing it down in general, because it is more warm and cozy to have it on your neck. And when it's the middle of the summer, nobody really wants to wear their hair down and get all warm and sweaty and gross. So I'm just more likely to wear my hair down in the fall time because it's not going to get frizzy either due to humidity that we are so blessed with. I love to style my hair and do makeup and just get dressed up in a fall outfit. I feel like it's my favorite time of year to make myself look put together. They're my favorite type of outfits, fall outfits are, and I just get super excited for the season and the vibes and the coziness. Even though I don't like the cold, I'm a baby. I love fall because it's that perfect in-between. The air is so crisp. The vibes are amazing, and I'm gonna shut up about fall now because this video is just like me puking fall everywhere, all over the place, and you guys have probably had enough. So I'm gonna have a little bit more of my tea that is getting cold quickly, and I'm going to end this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't super long. I could talk about like 60 more things, but this video would just get too excessive, and I want this to be a quick video to just get you in the mood for fall. And I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing about fall is. I would love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye. Did you guys just hear that? My wrist cracked when I waved. Like, my body is just like an old woman. I'm cracking bones left and right. Okay.